Still pricing your Amazon inventory manually? That's cool if you like missing out on sales. Here's the better way. Use a repricer. It automatically updates your prices based on your rules, so you stay competitive and win more buy boxes even when you're sleeping. You can tell it your minimum profit, your max price, and how aggressive you want it to be. It handles the rest. This is clutch for online arbitrage because prices shift fast and you don't want to babysit your listings all day. Want to learn how to set this up and build your flips into a system that runs on autopilot? Tap the link in the description and join us at oachallenge.com. You'll learn how to go from flipping here and there to building something real in just 14 days. Let's get it.